making ultimate Canadian Nanaimo bars.
What?
I know, Nanaimo.
Kids are learning an important life skill while taking part in a fun class here at Turtle Rock Community Center.
Our class that we're teaching today is International Chefs, so we're teaching the kids how to cook different recipes from around the world.
From Canadian no-bake bars, chocolatey, buttery vanilla with yummy coconut and granola.
I like the chocolate, and it was really fun spreading it, and so that was good.
To the Israeli hamantash and cookies with a sweet jelly center, and Russian tea cakes, buttery vanilla sugary goodness.
It teaches you to be a very good baker, and it also teaches you to be smart, and it teaches you to like measure. The teaspoon is smaller and the tablespoon is bigger.
Perfect.
You actually made something and like you mix it together by yourself and you actually made it and you kind of like achieve something, because like being a kid you kind of want to be like the adults but not necessarily, so yeah.
And Tara tells us she doesn't have just one favorite food.
I like different cuisines, like such as Thai, Italian, Bangladeshi, many cuisines. Since I'm from Bangladesh, there's this traditional food. It's like a lentil soup, and we eat it with rice. So usually my mom makes it, so I just kind of like add like some of the spices and all.
Baking is really good, cooking in general with children, early childhood. It teaches them, not only it's teaching them math with the different measuring cups and measuring spoons, but it also teaches them science. It's a different science. When you mix these ingredients together, what comes out of it?
Getting their hands messy, along with having fun and gaining knowledge without realizing it at times, is what this class can do.
I see a couple of them throughout different classes as well, so it's fun to see them coming back and telling me what skills, if they did it at home or not as well, so it's fun.
Thomas Kellogg has his 8-year-old daughter, June, and 6-year-old son, Theodore, taking this class.
You take it from start to finish and you can't skip steps and you gotta like follow through and go for it. I love it. You get to see your reward too, you know? You don't always get to get the reward at the end. So this is hard work pays off.
And when kids are involved in the cooking or baking process, it can make for more adventurous eaters since they're eager to try their own recipe. So are you guys ready to taste what you made?
Yeah!
For more on kids' cooking classes offered throughout the city, visit our website. For Irvine Scene, I'm Jacqueline Twegg.